Right guys, quick update from the old Edge shed here. Range Rover. Heating. Haven't got any. Freezing cold. Can't work out why. Dismantled it all. Got hot water coming into the radiator. I think we got an airlock problem. I think it's the radiator's goosed. So for the minute, I'm having the new stripped out, streamlined look Range Rover dashboard. And everything's on the back so that's that little job. So anyway. And I've had another problem with that clip, that connector. Anyway, so I'm not going to worry about that. But we have actually been doing something at the old Edge shed. And obviously people keep asking me, like, where the 2+2 is. Well, it's still at the shot blasters. Because our shot blaster hasn't been doing what he should be, which is shot blasting. So, unfortunately, we're in a bit of a quandary. So we've started extracting something to make some space, and this is an extraction. This has been around for a good few years. I mean, I did it 10 years ago, probably more. It was all she's powder coated, it was all bushed, it was all painted in some paint, I don't know what. Engine was nearly running, and then that happened. Something else happened. Something more interesting happened, and it went into hibernation. But she's been welded up, so she is pretty good underneath. She's good underneath the top, so just wants finishing off. Screen frame's inside it. Hood frame is down the bottom. Seats are in the shed. Wooden dashboard's there. And I think there's another wooden dashboard somewhere. I'm not quite certain. I remember. All the gauges in it are in the other shed. I mean, it's just, oh God, I don't know, guys. It's just a money pit, another money pit, another money pit. But, obviously, as you see, she's a TR4 IRS. And I know everyone says we've been trying to make room, and this is what we've been doing. Now, obviously, the plan is to remove that. When that is gone, that lot will have to go somewhere else. But then, once that's gone, we can make that sort of designated area where I can actually do some work, i.e. swaging and blah blah blah, and also I can put me stores and actually do things. And it's because at the moment it's just storing dead cars. Storing dead cars ain't my business anymore. So this old girl's going to have to go somewhere else. Don't quite know where, but I will find a hole for her, and she will go in it. What's really annoyed is this thing had never even done. I think I even done something like that. Yeah, I know, should be sold, shouldn't it? I think there's actually some rangy muscles there, look. I think they may well be donating their little souls to something else. What are we doing? No, maybe not. Anyway, so for the minute, guys, I'm going to shut you off and say, yeah, there you go, you've seen it. The TR4 IRS. Come out from under the shed table, under the shed's table, and hopefully, maybe, I don't know, maybe we'll go back together one of these days. Maybe. Anyway, so for the minute, we're just waiting on the shot blaster. Every time the phone rings, I keep thinking it's him, and it isn't. So for the minute, I'm just going to have to say, fingers crossed. I haven't got time to start and do anything else, so this is going to be, we're switching a few round, and then, like I say, we're going to make a work area, so that's the plan. And also we can just shift boxes and boxes of stuff out there into the new storage tent. Taking over the garden. But like I said, hopefully you've seen it first. You've seen the new streamlined Edge shed. Does it look like I've moved anything? No, it doesn't, does it? Anyway, so like and subscribe. Hope you're enjoying the 2+2 jobs. Hope for the 2+2. Look at that. That shouldn't be in this garage. Anyway, talk to you soon. Bye for now.